Hi everyone, I am Sushree Sangita Biswal. I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Finally, I got selected as a service tax engineer at Styxtech System Pvt Ltd, which is located at Hyderabad, with 3 LPA as a service tax engineer. I would like to thanks all the teams of Evision and which for their hard working, for their guidance, suggestions, and for their hard working. I got that entry level job. So I would like to be grateful for them. First of all, if I go through my introduction, then I have completed my MCA on 2024, and I tried so many interviews, even though I also go for the Vulcan interview, but I always got the negative. So with so many trials, when I got harassed, then I got the information and all on the idea about the Evision from one of my elder brother. She suggested me to register on the Evision portal, and I registered on September 2, and after 2 to 3 days they started the sessions. And when the session on that sessions, I got the knowledge about the networkings, CCNA, apart from that Windows administration, virtualization. Apart from that, they also prepared us about how to crack the interview, how to communicate with anybody in the English with frankly in the confidence also. And they also, apart from that, their teams is so helpful for us, and they guide us in every step. Whenever we stuck in anything, they helped us so many. And yeah, finally, with so much hard working, I finally got the job. And here I am thanking all the members of Evision, and for their efforts, for their guidance, for their suggestions, for their advice. I got the job, and I will remain so grateful to them. Thank you so much.